Today, we'll show you an exciting new feature in NGH, the option to fully configure the buttons. You've been asking for it, and now it's here. Once you connected your controller, you now have the options to reconfigure your buttons as you like, and also offline. You can now configure global settings which apply generally to all supported apps or also app-specific behavior. App-specific options is at the moment available for TerraPirata Roadbook app with the scope to grow soon. With these settings, you can remap the standard functions to different controller buttons/joystick. For customize the buttons, in this example, simply press the plus button to map the desired function to it. You can also adjust button behavior, switching between default, long press, continuous, or long press single action. Check the link page below for more details. Once you're happy with your setup, don't forget to hit Apply Configuration to save it. Need to start over? Use the Reset option to return to the factory settings. This is the first phase of the configuration options. More will come soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates.